Today, I'll demonstrate how to modulate the mass. For this process, we'll need a voltmeter or a similar kind of measuring tool, a multimeter. With the multimeter, you need to set it to voltage, direct current. Then we need the cables. The black one goes into the COM for ground and the red one into the voltage port. And turn on the device. So, then we take the cables. We attach the crocodile clips to the other ends here. You can also do it however you'd like to. And connect this here to the battery now. First, the black one on the minus. And the red one on the plus. So, this here is the current battery status. We have 12.6 volts. Now we start the vehicle. So after we've started it up, we're currently seeing 14.10 volts. That's optimal. The charging voltage is always somewhere between 13.7 to 14.7 volts. That's the optimal range where it should ideally be. We did that, for example, with a Bastel 6. I can easily do the same thing with other brands as well. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful.